For accurate weather forecast and live news, subscribe to our Skymet Weather YouTube channel. Press the bell icon and do not miss on any of our weather news.
Welcome to Skymet. This is the weather brief, National Weather Bulletin, forecast for 24 hours, 3rd of September. The monsoon has been quite active for the last few days. Courtesy the low pressure area, the remnant of that which was causing good rains over particularly Gujarat and parts of Rajasthan. Gujarat, most areas which were parched, almost parched for the last many days, rather weeks, they have got some good rains finally. Now, in these 24 hours, coming to the region specific, the first eastern northeastern parts, there is a trough which is extending from sub-Himalayan West Bengal, right dipping in the Bay of Bengal. There is a likelihood of formation of a fresh system, monsoon low shortly. It should come up around 5th or 6th. Circulation should come up around 5th or so, and possibly low pressure area around 6th of September, which will again it will revise the monsoon activity over most parts. It will slow down now for the next about 48 hours or so relatively, but then pick up once this systems cross the coast. But in these 24 hours, we can expect some light to moderate rains over east and northeast India. Eastern parts covering Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal can all expect light rains. So could be moderate at places, but then heavy rains are not expected. Over northeastern India, again moderate rains. It had some heavy spells, particularly sub-Himalayan West Bengal had some good rains, heavy rains also. But in these 24 hours, possibly moderate rains, especially Assam Valley and all, where the flood situation is a little grim, and that was courtesy some rains in the catchment areas. But then they are not going to escalate now in these 24 hours. So therefore could be there is a little relief expected on account of rainfall for the raging Brahmaputra which is there. Coming to the northern parts of the country, there has been a fairly widespread rain and thundershower. Particularly Delhi had a record over 100 millimeter rainfall on 2 consecutive days. It doesn't happen very often for the national capital as such. And other parts also had good rains. In these 24 hours, we can again expect some light to moderate rains over Uttar Pradesh also, over Delhi region surely, and then it can extend to cover parts of even Punjab and Haryana, but its intensity will be just about light to moderate, mostly light. Parts of Uttarakhand can expect some rain and thundershower, but the hilly areas normally though intense weather activity expected over Jammu Kashmir region and Himachal also. Parts of Rajasthan, yes. As we see, the circulation is marked. This particular system had given good rainfall over Gujarat the other 2 days, and now it is weakening a little. It is marked over parts of South Rajasthan adjoining region, and this circulation will be giving rainfall over West Rajasthan, especially southwest Rajasthan, covering parts of Barmer, Phalodi, and even travelling up to parts of extreme border areas, that's Jaisalmer and Bikaner region can also expect. Even southeastern parts of Rajasthan also can expect these rains, which can extend covering parts of Kota, Bundi, Jalawar. This pocket can expect. The most other parts of the region as such will experience just about light to moderate rains. The temperatures have dipped well below normal because of the consistent rain for the last many days, and it's likely to last in these 24 hours also. Coming to the central parts of the country, actually the monsoon trough is a little not clearly marked as such at 5,000 feet. But lower levels, it continues to be well south of its normal position, its surface position. But then mostly what it matters is its position between 3,000 and 5,000 feet AGL, and that is not very well marked in this. Actually, there is a tendency for it to shift a little northward, especially the eastern end in these 24 hours and the subsequent also. So with this situation, the rainfall activity over the central parts is going to remain confined to Gujarat, which has been flooded at places in the previous 48 hours, especially Saurashtra and Kutch had good rains. The coastal parts, including right from Viraval onward, Viraval, Okha, Porbandar, Jamnagar, Dwarka, and then spilling over to Kutch, covering Nalia, Bhuj, Mandvi region, good rainfall was there. Now intensity will reduce, but still moderate rain can be expected, possibly heavy at places also over these regions, especially Saurashtra and Kutch. Even North Gujarat, these are either Patan, Palanpur, Mehsana, Vasankanta can expect some light to moderate rains there also. The coastal parts, south coastal parts covering Valsad, Navsari and even up to Surat can expect moderate rains. Other parts, not much rains in Maharashtra, only light. Parts of Vidarbha, yes, and adjacent parts of Chhattisgarh and eastern parts of Madhya Pradesh can still expect some moderate rains over many places. The southern parts of the country, we see a cyclonic circulation that's off Tamil Nadu and the South Andhra Pradesh coast. This will be instrumental in causing some weather activity that's over parts of coastal Andhra Pradesh, extending even maybe something over Rayalaseema also. Coastal parts of Tamil Nadu, especially the north coastal parts of Tamil Nadu, can expect some moderate rains also. This will even spill over to the interiors of south interior Karnataka, I will say. Bangalore can expect rains, Mysore, Mandya, Chamarajnagar, Hassan can expect some light to moderate rains, but they are not going to be heavy. Even the parts of Kerala and coastal Karnataka in this can expect moderate rain shower. Tamil Nadu, the southern parts just about light, and interiors also no heavy rainfall expected over that region as such in these 24 hours. Parts of Telangana, yes, we can still expect some moderate rains, which is adjacent to Vidarbha region and Chhattisgarh. This triangle of Chhattisgarh and Vidarbha and Telangana, adjoining parts of even Odisha can expect some moderate showers in these 24 hours. That's the weather brief from Skymet. Keep watching for latest information on the weather. Thank you.
Keep your family healthy by downloading Skymet AQI app and tracking air pollution of your location in real time.